So good morning everyone. Now this is the third class of the lesson triangle. Now in the previous class we finished the question exercise 7.1. I skip only one question, that is question number 7, and that is as a homework. Because question number 7 and question number 6 both are identical, same. Now next exercise 7.2. Questions. These are the questions. 7.2. Now here nothing, just use the congruence of triangle in all the exercise. Now here the diagram is not given, but first read the question carefully. In an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equal to AC. In isosceles triangle ABC. ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equal to AC. The bisector of angle B and C. The bisector of angle B and C intersect each other at O. Intersect, bisector. Join A to O to show that OB equal to OC. Number one, what? We have to show that OB equal to OC, first thing, and second one, AO bisect angle B. Okay, done. First of all, what is given? AB equal AC. Okay, AB equal to AC. If AB equal to AC, then there is a property. See in this diagram, suppose in this triangle, if these two sides are equal, then these two angles are also equal. Why? Because the reason is angle opposite to equal sides are equal, and the vice versa. Vice versa means if these two angles are equal, then these two sides are equal. If these two equal sides, then the opposite angles are equal, and if these two angles are equal, then these two sides are also equal. So here same thing will be applied. AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC, then what is the angle opposite to the side AB? That is angle ACB. ACB. And what is the angle opposite to side AC? That is ABC. Reason what? Angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Then multiply both sides by half. Half angle ACB equal half angle ACB. Half angle ACB is bisector. What is given? OB and OC bisect angle B and C. So half angle ACB means we can write OCB. And then half angle this one ABC, sorry. Half angle ABC means we can write OBC. Now here vice versa we use. Now see, in triangle OBC, if these two angles are equal, if these two angles are, this angle and this angle, these are equal, then what are the side opposite to them? This one not. So this will be equal. OB equal OC. Reason? Side opposite to equal angles are equal. Side opposite to equal angles are equal. So first one done. They are equal. Second part, AO bisect angle A. AO bisect angle A means we will prove these two angles are equal, and this will be happen if these two triangles are congruent. Second part. Now in triangle OA B and triangle OAC. In triangle OAB and triangle OAC, OA equal OA common, OB equal to OC proved, AB equal to AC, given. Therefore triangle OAB congruent triangle OAC, triangle OAB congruent triangle OAC by side. Therefore angle OAB equal angle OAC, that is CPCT, which implies AO bisect angle, because if these two angles are equal, then AO bisect angle A. Now question number 2. A diagram is given. In triangle ABC, AD is the perpendicular bisector. That's why BD equal CD. Show that ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, finished. Show that ABC is an isosceles triangle. That is what we have to prove AB equal to AC. Now for AB equal to AC, we have to prove that these two triangles are congruent. Triangle ADB, triangle ADC. In triangle ADB and triangle ADC, AD common, these two angle 90 because perpendicular, and BD equal to CD because perpendicular bisector. So side angle side congruent, therefore AB equal to AC. Simple question these are. In triangle ADB and triangle ADC, AD equal to AD common, angle ADB equal angle ADC, angle ADB equal angle ADC. Given, so not given simply because it is given perpendicular bisector. It is also given BD equal to CD. The triangle ADB congruent triangle ADC, ADB congruent triangle ADC by S. Therefore AB equal AC CPCT, which implies ABC, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. is an isosceles triangle in which the altitudes BE and CF are drawn to equal sides AC and AB. Drawn to equal sides AC and AB. That means AB and AC, these are the equal sides. The altitudes are BE and CF. BE and CF. The altitudes. Show that altitudes are equal. Show that BE equal to CF. BE equal CF means we have to prove triangle AEB or ABE and ACF congruent. Then we can say that BE and CF are equal. What is the first thing? We have to prove that triangle ABE, triangle ACF congruent. Then we can say that BE equal to CF because of CP. Now first let me show you whether there are sufficient conditions. In ABE, listen now, ABE, forget about all the other things. ABE, this is ABE. Yes. And this one what? AFC. ACF, okay. Now see, both the triangle angle A is present or not? Then this angle 90 or not? Because the altitude means they makes an angle 90 degree. Then AB equal to AC, it is given or not? So by angle side, the triangles are congruent or not? Then if they are congruent, then B equal to CF, finished. So just imagine like in this way. So triangle ABE and triangle ACF. Angle A equal to angle A. Common. Angle A equal to angle A. Common. Then angle here we can't write angle A. Only angle E and only angle F, because E means maybe this one or maybe this one. So we have to mention the angle AEB, angle AEB, and then angle AFC. Both are 90 degree. And then AB equal to AC, which is given in the question. Therefore, triangle ABE congruent triangle ACF by angle side. So which implies BE equal CF, CP, CT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Understood? Question number 3 and question number 4 is homework, but question number 4 is same as question number 3. Now what is the difference? In question number 3 this is equal given, we will prove this are equal. In question number 4 this is equal given, we will prove this equal this. That is the different thing in the question number 3 and 4. In question number 3 sides are equal given, AB equal to AC, and in question number 4 the altitudes are equal, means B equals CF, it is equal given. We have to prove that the sides, that is AB and AC, are equal, because we have to prove that triangle ABC is an isosceles. Isosceles means these two, AB and AC, the sides are equal. So these are the change in question number 4. This will go there and this will go there. Finished. Here this question will prove that angle ABD equal to angle ACD. Simple. This question is also simple, and we can solve this question in two ways, maybe other ways also, I don't know. So we can solve this one in two ways. First one, as these sides are equal, so we'll use that in a triangle, if two sides are equal, then the angle opposite to equal sides are equal. So if these two sides are equal, then these two angles are equal, and in this triangle, if these two sides are equal, then these two angles are equal. Then add them, we'll get the answer. And the second one is by construction. If we join AD. So first let me show you the first method. Method 1. Method 1. In triangle ABC, AB equal AC given. AB equal AC. So if AB equal AC, then angle ACB equal angle ABC. Reason, angle opposite, is opposite to equal sides are equal. Angle opposite to equal sides are equal. And this is equation number 1. Now in triangle BCD, BD equal CD. BD equal CD, which is also given. BD equal CD. So BD opposite angle BCD and CD opposite angle DBC. Same reason, angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Angle opposite to equal sides are equal. This is equation number 2. Now add the 1 plus 2. Angle ACB plus angle BCD equal angle ABC plus angle DBC. ACB plus BCD. See the diagram. ACB plus BCD means angle ACD. Angle ACD equal ABC plus DBC means angle ABD. So this one. Simple. See the method 1. Now method 2. In method 2 there will be construction. In method 2 there will be construction. And what is the construction? That we join AD. In method 2 we join AD. Now in triangle ABD and triangle ACD. In triangle ABD and triangle ACD. AB equal AC given, BD equal CD also given, then AD equal AD common given, this is common. Therefore triangle ABD congruent triangle ACD. triangle ABD congruent triangle ACD by side, side, side. So if they are congruent, then angle ABD equal angle ACD. Angle ABD equal angle ACD. CPCD. Yes, nothing. Just first join AD, then choose triangle ABD, ABD and triangle ACD. AB equal to AC, which is given in the question. BD equal to CD, which is also given in the question. AD equal to AD common in both the triangle. Triangle ABD and triangle ACD congruent by side, side, side. Therefore, triangle angle ABD equal to angle ACD. Done. Question number 6 will do next session. Now we will do question number 7. And question number 8 is homework. Now question number 7. ABC is right triangle with angle A equal 90. AB equal to AC. Find angle B and C. Now what is given? AB equal to AC. If AB equal to AC, then angle B equal to angle C equal to X. Reason what? Angle opposite to equal sides are equal, and angle A equal to 90 degree. So in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 because of what? Angle sum property of triangle. In a triangle, sum of the three angles of a triangle equal to 180 degree. Angle A 90, B X, C also X equal to 180. So twice X equal to 90, X equal to 45. Therefore, angle B equal angle C equal to 45. Done. So that's all for this session. In next session, we'll do question number 6 and 3 of the theorem of exercise 7.3, which is related to exercise 7.3. Thank you.